So all of the math information that you need, assignments, info to help you with class, such as notes, videos, your student folder, will all be listed here in modules. So there are two ways to click on modules. You can either click the link here, or underneath the welcome image, you can click modules here. So every day at the start of class, it's your responsibility to go to the math course, click on modules, and then find the current week that we're in. So all of the assignments for math class are going to be listed under the week with the date, and then you'll find the specific day that it is of class. So for example, say we're looking at today's date, we would be in week 8. Today is Monday, September 28th. So you would go to week 8, select Monday, and all of the work that you'll need to complete in class for math are all listed here. It's all in order of how it will be completed during class. So if you ever miss class on Zoom, or you get distracted by something at home and you lose your place, it's all listed here, separated out as we're completing the work in class. So we'll always start class with Zoom. We'll do a check-in, announcements, go over directions. On this specific day, since it's a Monday, we'll be taking notes. So you'll look for the whole class, which will be about 35 minutes. You'll find the must-do. So anything that says must-do is what you have to complete to be successful in class for the day. So this says you'll complete the 9/28 FDP notes that are in your student folder. So any link that you'll need to open during class will be linked here in the section that we're working on. And usually you'll have a picture so you can make sure you're completing the correct assignment. So here is what you'll click on to open your student folder and then find this set of notes. Then we'll go over the homework at the end of class, and that's also written here. And your homework, when you have it, usually on the same day that you take notes, will always be listed at the bottom. It'll have a link to the assignment on Edulastic. It'll show you the picture of the assignment you want to look for. And then any video that will help you, so like submitting your notes videos, a video from the notes, or an example that we did that students may have asked for to help them on their homework, all videos to support you in completing your homework will also be linked here. So for any day of math class, you'll just find the day of the week, the date that matches the current day's date, and every single thing you'll need for that day will all be listed here in order with links.